month. And I would say also welcome to the party because we're celebrating. We don't always celebrate a recession or a downturn in the economy or a pandemic. However, in the self-storage business, we actually benefit from the trauma and transition that's happening out there in the world. And so that is an opportunity for us to be able to shine and to be able to welcome folks into our facilities and to be able to help them and to be able to serve them. And they've been, you've probably seen, you probably read, you probably heard that self-storage is a recession-proof. And although I would never say it is a recession-proof business because none is, self-storage actually thrives during a recession, and we are extremely recession resistant. As a matter of fact, one of the most profitable sectors in the economy anytime we head into a downturn. So with that, all eyeballs are on self-storage now as we head into this new economy, if you will. Interest rates are rising, values of other forms of real estate are dropping, but the self-storage freight train keeps rolling down the tracks, which again is probably the likely reason why you're all here. You've been looking around at the landscape. Maybe you've been in real estate in other forms, other asset classes, and you're seeing the same stats that some of which we're going to share tonight, but the hundreds of other statistics that all point to the fact that self-storage is the top performing asset class in commercial real estate. I'm not biased by any stretch. As a matter of fact, if you look at self-storage, it's not really a very sexy or attractive asset class. I mean, these are garages. They're metal boxes on concrete slabs. But what attracted me away from very nice office buildings and very nice Class A multifamily that I was investing in, high-end single-family houses, cold storage, industrial buildings that I was investing in before was the fact that self-storage is very recession resistant. It is inflation resistant, and it has a low expense ratio. And when somebody doesn't pay you, you simply lock them out and you sell their stuff off to recoup your money. That is what, drew me to self-storage and came to the logical conclusion that, you know what, this is the asset class that I need to be and it was because of the statistics, all about the numbers of self-storage, and that is why I am in this asset class and still in it. And as Kurt mentioned, we've been at this for a little while. I've been investing in self-storage for a number of years, and although some people that have had the amount of success that our team has had and the amount of facilities that we have and the doors that we manage, most folks and at, I guess, the age that I'm at, people will be taking their victory lap. But we're just getting fired up. Our team is firing on all cylinders right now. And as we head into this next downturn, we know that more millionaires are created during a depression and a recession than any other time in our nation's history. That happens over and over and over again. And so as we head into this, we know because of the nature of the recession and the fact that we have the skill set. This is our third recession. We can see a little further down the road than most folks. We know what's coming. We've been preparing for it. And so we are excited and we are jazzed, and we aren't by any chance slowing down. None of us are in rocking chairs yet. As a matter of fact, we're more than fired up about this recession as we head into it because, again, we've been preparing for it. We've been attracting private equity. We have been forging those lender relationships. And so while other folks are not getting the loans or not being able to raise private equity, we are poised and ready to pounce. So the opportunities are coming down the pike right now. There are troubled assets. There are troubled partnerships. There are troubled notes. And we have been the benefactor of some of those. And we know that heading into this next quarter, and as well as the balance of this year, is going to be an absolute treasure trove of opportunities that will be flooding the marketplace for those that have the knowledge, that are prepared for it and know what to look for, know how to underwrite these things and spot a deal from an opportunity, and then also have the ability to execute and transact, which means having the capital in order to do so. So that's what we're going to be sharing this evening. And as the room, it looks like, is filled up, I don't see any more new folks that are coming on, but the stragglers, well, they'll just have to catch up because we got a lot of information that we're going to cover. And I am excited about the industry, and whether I'm excited or not, I'm a fast talker. So the team is constantly sending me notes and will remind me to slow down. And so we've got a lot of information that we are going to share that I want to get across to you this evening. And I promise my team will stick around. I will have to exit at the end of our presentation. And so that'll be about 3 hours from now. Just kidding. We're going for about an hour. So the goal here is to end it in an hour. And we may go over a little bit. But my team will be here to answer the questions as I have another meeting that I need to run to, believe it or not, after this. So with that, we are going to launch and talk about how to create recession-proof cash flow in real estate without all the hassles of tenants and toilets and trash, because that is the time that we're heading into right now.